Manufacturing websites have a huge conversion problem. They're built like catalogs. Long product pages, complex specs, and contact forms buried 5 clicks deep. Visitors browse, compare, and leave before ever talking to sales. The result? Great products, but no pipeline. Pathmonk changes that. Once the AI knows your money-making conversion goal, it creates personalized journeys that move visitors from interest to inquiry, driving sales. Whether someone's exploring options, checking pricing, or ready for a quote, Pathmonk adapts the experience in real time to guide them there. The best part is you can track the impact clearly with our built-in A/B testing. Pathmonk appears only to part of your traffic, so you can see exactly how many more sales conversations you're getting, just like this client. So, are you ready to turn your website into your best sales rep? Turn your corporate website into a money-making machine with Pathmonk.